Let's go, pasyal. Na kami manonood ng sine. Kaya watch movie. Movie time. Maybe 1 million viewers ako. Nawala. What time?
It's like 3:40.
AM, I know.
Super early.
Super early. At yung 16th Street, malapit lang sa atin yan. Phoenix, 16th Street.
Depends on where. It's a long street.
Oh. Let's go. Oops. Okay. That's there.
It's my favorite strip bar right there.
This one?
Where?
Yeah.
That one? That one? What?
You want to see boobs and butts? That's right.
Ew.
When did you go there?
Oh, man, thanks.
Way
Daddy
back
go there all the time.
before?
That's adults do, Baba. When you're adults, you can do that also if you want. We're in the mall na dad, no? Okay. Kami manunod kami ng sine.
Harkins
Movie
Theaters
time.
IMAX. That one?
Yeah.
Which one?
Harkins Theaters IMAX.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're here now. Just go inside the parking lot. There's the IMAX.
Harkins. That's the IMAX.
Okay, dito na kami. Get it. Parking lots. There's something.
What theater are we in?
7.
7? 5? Have you ever been here before?
No.
No. Daddy.
Actually, Daddy, of course.
Daddy,
Actually.
have you been here?
Yeah.
Remember, Daddy almost got the property.
So you know
Right.
do you know the way? You know the way, Dad?
Of course, Dad.
Anywhere. Just inside. Figure it out when we get inside.
Just Daddy's been here like 30 years, for almost 30 years, Daddy, no? Daddy's been here like 40 years. Almost. Dang.
So close.
We're here. Ito na kami. Sa loob.
Can you get out, Victoria?
Let's go.
Easy, Josh, ha? Be careful, ha? Dito ka na mag-get out sa kuwan. Malapit sa atin.
There is enough space.
Yeah, I know.
Josh, oh, you video, oh. Go na, mauna ka nito. Just go. Take a video. Alright. Just need my glasses.
We, Daddy love that. Not, Dad love that type bike.
Just go make a video. Because I'm live.
Yeah. There isn't anything entertaining. Yeah. There isn't anything entertaining. You gotta make it entertaining. Talk to the camera, you know.
Don't hurt me. Just
Gotta talk to me.
just say something. You're the one who take a video.
No, I'm just a camera.
It's okay. Camera is not there with you naman. Just focus to it.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just a cameraman.
You're the camera.
You're the main.
Yes, we're here now. Okay, you don't. Ikuan mo dyan.
What? I'm trying to make it more entertaining.
Nga, more entertaining, dapat magsalita ka nga. Oh, ganyan nga, nandito
You're
na.
the main character.
Yan, dito na tayo sa mall. Oh,
You're here.
here na. So, you go inside. Okay. Kalapati. Okay. For sure, it's cold inside. Okay, nandito na kami sa entrance ng mall. Okay. We just got inside. Yeah, freakers. We're 30 minutes late. Okay, papasok na kami sa sinehan. Okay guys, bye. Later. Nakapasok na kami.
You guys want a popcorn?
Yeah, of course.
No, of course not. Of course not.
I wish I watched the Minecraft movie. Can we come back? Yeah.
Everybody's wearing something black.
Yeah. Our blacks.
Can we watch the Minecraft movie next time?
Okay.
Minecraft movie.
Kuha kami na
Nachos? What do you want nachos after? What do you like?
Okay, dito kami sa loob ng sine. Nakapila kami. Kukuha kami ng aming snack sa loob. Okay guys, sige, mamaya na lang. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang aking mini vlog. Bye! Mamaya ulit. Yung si ate, saan pumunta? Kikita na sila. Si Diyos, si ate, yan. Bathroom siya. Pinakapila kami dito. Popcorn. Say bye, Vlad.
Bye-bye.
Please watch.
Watch.
Bye. Nunod na kami. Kasi it's Sunday. It's family day. Later.